Hello students, so all of you are fine. So students, today in previous class I have explained the structure of the Indian Parliament. Today I am going to explain the function of the Indian Parliament. That means how our legislature works. So Indian parliaments having at least 2 sessions in a year. The gap between two sessions are not more than 6 months because there are 12 months in a year. So there should be 2 sessions after gapping 6 months. The President of India summons and closes its session. That means the President calls the session and also the President closes the session. The first session begins with an address by the President. President is the parliamentary head of India. That's why he addresses the session. There are actually two fixed time periods in parliamentary session. One is known as question hour and another one is known as 0 hour. You can see it is properly written in your book, question hour and 0 hour. Question hour means whenever the parliamentary session starts, it starts with question hour. What is the meaning of question hour? During this period, the ministers, that means those who are in power, they answer the questions of the opposition. Whatever they did during the 6 months, that will be answered by them. Queries were there, so the MPs, they have to answer the questions of the opposition. And then 0 hour. Now 0 hour, why it is termed as 0? Because the 0 hour means the time between the question hour and the beginning of the rest of the day's work is known as 0 hour. That means when the parliament session begins, it begins with question hour. The opposition asks question to the MPs, and in 0 hour the MPs prepared their answers. They have to give to the oppositions. The 0 hour is important because debates over issues of public interest are held during this period. Whatever debate is there, suppose whatever the government is doing, the opposition is arguing, so the debate is going on, because in previous time in question hour the oppositions only ask questions. Now the government will give answer and debate will conducted on the basis of the answer. So 0 hour is the basic of our democracy, because now the government is having the power to ask question. Now see the functions of the legislature. Legislature make laws. I have told in first that the main power of the legislature is making laws. Then whenever the legislature is making one law, there is one procedure, because one law should have debate on it. Next day, in next class, I will explain the thorough lawmaking process. First reading, second reading, third reading, and the final process I will explain. And before explaining the rest of the part, I will give you question on the basis of this, how our legislature work. I hope you are understanding my class. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me question freely. Okay, till then, bye bye.